Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to activate the true tone effects in your iPhone so it will automatically adjust the lighting conditions around you. So first of all, go to your settings like this. Click on the settings and you have to scroll down a little bit to find the display and brightness over here. Alright, you can click on this. And after that, you can see this true tone options. Next, you can turn it on by clicking the toggle until it turns into the color green like this. After you turn it on, you can feel that the lighting of your iPhone become much more softer and warmer. So the brightness will be less irritating to your eye. So that's how you activate the true tone in your iPhone. And it will automatically adjust the lighting conditions in your environment. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in another tutorial videos from this channel. Bye bye.